Hello, dosto. Welcome to the Learn with Vishal channel. And in the last session, we had studied about the how should be your profile photo, how should be your cover banner, and the how should be your the uh, this headline section. So in this session, we will be covering about the आपके followers कैसे रहे कितने है वो देख सकते हो आप. Then the what are the connections, what is mean by followers, and then how to add your own website. Here you can see book one-on-one consultation. That is the I have added my website into that. Then open to work क्या होता है वो भी दिया है. Then the how we can enhance our profile. Then क्या resources होते हैं वो भी देखेंगे. उसी के साथ में हम लोग ये देखेंगे कि open to work के लिए इसमें अंडर क्या क्या options होते हैं. तो here you can add the 5 top roles you are interested into. So वो भी देखा जाएगा इसमें. Then we'll see the analytics part. This is basically private to you, as in private to me only. And then for it will be based on the account, so how many profile views you are getting, that also it we will cover. Then पोस्ट क्या होता है, उसका इम्प्रेशंस क्या होता है वो भी देखेंगे, और कितने रिजल्ट्स में आप आ रहे हो वो भी हम लोग कवर करेंगे. तो आज आई गेस इतने में हमारा लगभग 7 से 10 मिनट का वीडियो बनेगा. सो दैट आल्सो विल कवर. एंड देन स्टार्टिंग विद दी बुक वन ऑन कंसल्टेशन. सो यहाँ पे लोकेशन वो सब हमने देख लिया था लास्ट सेशन में. देन हियर वी विल सी नाउ दिस कि आपका बुक वन ऑन वन कंसल्टेशन मेरा वेबसाइट कैसे दिखता है. यहाँ पे मैंने टॉपमेट पे अकाउंट बनाया है, तो आप वो देख सकते हो. एंड दोज हु आर इंटरेस्टेड दे कैन बुक, एंड we can have the one-on-one discussion about the LinkedIn profile optimization, or maybe the career discussion, or फिर या quick chat for a career and network and LinkedIn optimization. So that's how it does look. And then that can be like changed from over here basically. फॉलोअर्स में आपका दोनों का ये दिखता है कि कितने टोटल फॉलोअर्स है, कितने फॉलोइंग है, और इसी में ये सारा लिस्ट आ जाएगा आपका. तो वो आप केस में देख सकते हो. यहाँ पे लिंक्डइन में लिखा है कि उनका पॉलिसी जैसा चेंज होता है, तो उसी अकॉर्डिंग कुछ फेक अकाउंट या फिर इनएक्टिव अकाउंट लोग बंद कर देते हैं. दैट ऑल्सो यू कैन सी. देन हियर इट्स अगेन द कनेक्शंस. यू कैन ऑल्सो सी हाउ मेनी कनेक्शंस आर देयर. So that also we can verify. And then it goes like your open to work वाला option. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो कि open to hiring है. Then finding new internal role, finding volunteer opportunity. So यहाँ पे आप वाया लिंक्डइन हायरिंग भी कर सकते हो, बट इसके लिए अलग से प्रीमियम लगता है. देन उसके बाद में फाइंडिंग द न्यू इंटरनल रोल्स. सो आपका इंटरनल रोल्स भी है. तो जैसे आपकी कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन जिस लिए काम कर रहे हो आप, उन वो लिंक्डइन का यूज कर रहे हैं कि आपका हायरिंग करने के लिए, तो वो जो रोल पोस्ट किया गया है वो भी रोल आप पोस्ट कर सकते हो. सिमिलरली आई वर्क फॉर रसल इन्वेस्टमेंट. तो रसल इन्वेस्टमेंट के जितने रोल है वो मैं यहाँ पे शो करके अगर सेव करता हूँ तो मैं भी पोस्ट कर सकता हूँ दैट कि आप ज्वाइन कीजिए, कंपनी इज गुड, लाइक दैट you can do basically. So this option is also there. Then finding the volunteer opportunity. Those who want to do the volunteering work, they can do this volunteering opportunity as well. That can also be done. Then एड प्रोफाइल सेक्शन. इसमें बेसिकली ज़्यादा कुछ इतना इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है. जो ये पेंसिल आइकॉन एडिट वाले ऑप्शन हैं आप वो यहाँ से भी कर सकते हो. तो यहाँ पे देखिए आप कि लाइक ऐड फीचर, ऐड लाइसेंस सर प्रोजेक्ट, कोर्सेस रिकमेंडेशन, देन एडिशनल सम अदर डिटेल्स कि आपका पेटेंट होनर, ये सब. तो ये बेसिकली जंपिंग इनटू दिस डिफरेंट सेक्शंस है, तो यहाँ से कर सकते हो. इनहांस प्रोफाइल, इसके लिए आपको प्रीमियम लगेगा. मेरा भी प्लान इतना अपग्रेडेड नहीं है, तो इसीलिए यहाँ पे जो दिख रहा है आपको कि इट इज आस्किंग मी टू अपग्रेड प्लान, but you can take the upgraded plan. And now LinkedIn has added the AI feature, so basically you can use that as well. देन रिसोर्सेज, इसमें आपका जब आपका मतलब वेरीफाई हुआ है आधार डिटेल या फिर प्रोफाइल वेरीफाइड है क्या, जैसे ये टिक दिख रहा है आपको लास्ट में हैज वेरिफिकेशन. सो वो वेरिफिकेशन वाया माई वर्क ईमेल हैज बीन डन. फॉर फ्यू प्रोफाइल इट इज बी डन थ्रू दी बेसिकली और आधार कार्ड एज वेल. तो वो उसमें दिख जाएगा. आप आपका प्रोफाइल पीडीएफ में सेव कर सकते हो वाया दिस ऑप्शन. देन दिस ओपन टू वर्क ऑप्शन. हियर इज बेसिकली कितने जॉब टाइटल, जैसे मैंने कहा था आपको 5 जॉब टाइटल हम लोग बेसिकली ऐड कर सकते हैं. 5 से ऊपर नहीं जा सकते. इसके लिए आप चूज योर रोल वाइजली, आई वुड से, कि अगर आप कंफ्यूज हो, जैसे बेसिकली आई ट्रेन दी मिलिट्री वेटरन्स एज वेल, सो दे आर like bit confused, I would say, rather than bit confused. They are looking opportunities in the basically 2-3 domain. So अब उनके लिए ये इजी होता नहीं है कि कौन सा रोल, एक ही रोल 5 जगह डाले, तो इसलिए दे यूजुअली पुट टू रोल्स, सो प्रायोरिटी वन जो रहेगा, सो तीन रोल का प्रायोरिटी वन रखिए, प्रायोरिटी टू पे दो रोल रखिए। बेसिकली लेट्स कंसिडर मेरा पूरा फैसिलिटी मैनेजमेंट है, इसीलिए ये पांचों के पांचों रोल रिलेटेड टू फैसिलिटी मैनेजर है। बट जो बेसिकली प्रोजेक्ट मैनेजमेंट किसी को चाहिए, या फिर कोई फैसिलिटी मैनेजमेंट करना है, या फिर किसी को सिक्योरिटी मैनेजमेंट करना है, तो उस अकॉर्डिंगली रोल चेंज होगा। किसी को जैसे डेटा एनालिस्ट एंड डेटा साइंटिस्ट, तो उसमें भी वो कर सकते हैं। Like that, it is to be done basically for a job title. Then location, basically based on your locations, whether you want on-site, hybrid or remote, you can choose it basically. And then here it's more about location, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore. So इसमें से भी आप मल्टीपल लोकेशन ऐड कर सकते हो, अगर आपको कंसिडरिंग हैदराबाद जाना है या फिर some other city as well, so you can add that as well basically into location. Then now these two features are newly introduced, I would say basically, and it is only visible to recruiter. So जो those who are using the recruiter light software, so notice period में आपका जितना notice period है वो आप डाल सकते हो। देन आपका एक्सपेक्टेड एनुअल सैलरी, इसमें काफ़ी बड़ा रेंज है, आप जो भी रेंज है वो सिलेक्ट करके डाल सकते हो। देन स्टार्ट डेट, जैसे आप इमिडिएटली एक्टिवली अप्लाइंग हो तो आप ये सिलेक्ट कीजिए, या फिर आप फ्लेक्सिबल जैसे कैजुअली लुकिंग की कोई है क्या अपॉर्चुनिटी, लाइक अगर वैसे कर रहे हो तो आप फ्लेक्सिबल सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो। देन इसके अकॉर्डिंग जैसे फुल टाइम, पार्ट टाइम, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, इंटर्नशिप, इंटर्नशिप भी आपको मिलता है यहाँ पे, सो वो आप सिलेक्ट कर सकते हो उसी अकॉर्डिंगली। देन विजिबिलिटी, आपको दो चीज़ें हैं, एक तो ओपन टू वर्क जो पब्लिक को दिखता है, दूसरा है कि रिक्रूटर ओनली। तो अभी मैंने जो रिक्रूटर ओनली लिखा है, तो इसमें वेन एवर द रिक्रूटर इज गोइंग टू सर्च फॉर अ कैंडिडेट, सो they can see my profile as well, because I am open to work, but it is a limited use, not everybody is knowing that I'm looking out for change, like that it works. Then the here it's all LinkedIn member basically, तो यहाँ पे सारे LinkedIn member को दिख जाएगा। आपका एक पोस्ट भी क्रिएट होगा, that like usually people write in a such a way that, hi everyone, I am looking for a change, and the I have so many skills, I have so many years of experience, like that, and I'm open for a connect and collaborate any opportunity, like that it create the post. And then this green badge will come, you can see over here that a green badge open to work is there, so that also you can see. And then that's how you can update this the job preference vara section. And after that, then we'll have the he after this completing this, the analytics part. So analytics also plays an important role mere hisab se, like I'm being premium member since last 2 years, so I'm usually taking care of this, like who is looking at my profile, how they can help me. Some people, those who have the premium, you can see that it's working like that, someone at Holtec, so company name से पता चल जाता है कि किसने आपका प्रोफाइल देखा है, but people are doing that. So here also, like profile was has some dip here, like then previous week boost again, then again drop. So you understand whether your profile is performing or not, then what should be done to improve your profile things. So that is more important, that also we can cover up, and then we can understand how it is done. So basically जैसे डेटा हेल्प करता है, तो यहाँ पे भी आपको ये सारा डेटा हेल्प करेगा एनालाइज करने में कि आपका प्रोफाइल कैसे काम कर रहा है। ये आप आपका 1 ईयर के लिए भी देख सकते हो। माई 1 ईयर इज नॉट, आई गेस, that much great, I would say, but yeah, we can do that as well. So it's having some glitch, refreshing that, but yeah, nothing like that. So you can do this basically for an entire year, and then see the results. Yeah, so here the 1 year profile view is like 4305 in the past 365 days, but yeah, I'm improving on that as well. Then we can see here the interesting viewer, so I can filter it out the people who are there, who are looking at my profile, so that way we can filter it out. Senior leader in my industry, I want to see, I'll do this senior leader in my industry, so 59 people in the my industry. Then here also we can filter out 90 people, because basically the main trend will follow. So you can see these people are, someone is assistant vice president, someone is VP, then the facility executive. So they are from the basically senior leadership. Based on the age, I would say they have calculated, and the years of experience they have calculated to for this reason. So from which company they are, we can do that. As I said, like I take sessions for veterans, so it is like Indian Army, Indian Air Force, and Indian Navy. Basically they are looking at my profile. So this was about like the how your profile section is working. And then we have another thing about this is, yeah, post impression. So post impression, आपका post कैसे perform कर रहा है, that also you will see. So in past days my post, like yesterday only I had done one post, so it has shot up this graph basically. Otherwise it was, I had not posted anything since last 15 days. So it was, profile was like my content was not doing good. So you can see this in like sudden rise because of this post. Yeah, so you can see this as well. You can export this data via this option and analyze those, like what time your post is getting views, then how many impressions you are getting, how many engagement you are getting basically. So then you can also customize the range of this to understand the how many like impressions and you have got since an a year. So basically I've got an into the year 2 lakh 10. So that's again a very, I would say, the not that big number, but yeah. Again, the member reach 41,000. This is huge number, I would say. Basically, member who has reached out to me and which post has performed well. That also it is showing. So sometimes post based on your content, one day it shoots up and then you have become a like uh, star of the industry like that. It happens mostly, but keep on doing, keep on writing your post and keep on writing your learning. One day definitely you will be also having the number of followers gain and the people will be trusting about you, and you can definitely create an impact on the people's life. So that is more important, I would say, rather than the count of these followers, but amount of effort you are adding into that, and the amount of effort helping the people, that it matters the most. Yeah, so here then discovery of the people, how many impressions we have got, this also we can see into this profile. So basically, writing the content is most important, because unless and until you won't write, people will not be knowing how many skills you have, what skills you have. So I am also recording similarly my experience, because of the, I want to showcase everybody that what skills I have, how my digital presence will help me. That is also important. And again, this is helping the people, I'm sharing my knowledge. So based on that, you should also start writing the post, you should also start creating the content and post on the multiple platforms. Yeah, then here you can see my profile appearance via post. It's 50%. It has reached out to the people. It's a breakdown basically, but yeah, it gives the data. So you will be knowing how your post and how your profile is performing. So via post, people have reached out to me. Then 32% via my comment. Then people network recommendation has improved a lot. Earlier it was 5%. Now it's 13.5%. So it's a very good that I'm being recommended across the my network. And then search via search 4.3. So I want to work on this search part, so that the majority of the people, whenever they are looking at certain skill set, so my profile pops up into their screen. So that also I am working on, and definitely I'll share that idea with you guys as well. You should be staying tuned with me for that. Then this is more about section, how to cover your about section, how to write it. That is more important, and it should be curated in such a way that it should like make people to stop at your about section and read it at least for a minute, so they understand everything. So that also I'll cover, and that will be in the next session. But yeah, I hope this is helpful to everyone, and the you should be have some idea about this, at least how to add the website and everything, then how to add open to work and what to use. Stay tuned, like we will be having at least 7 to 8 sessions for this, and we will be covering about how to find out jobs as well. So I request everyone to like, share, and the comment, so that I also get some motivation, and we can definitely have the entire LinkedIn optimization series covered. Stay tuned. Thank you so much.